BioOrg makes a real impact on real estate management by taking a closer look at the cleaning process. Traditional cleaning methods are based on water and soap, but are not always effective. Buildings are often not completely clean and purified, despite the high budgets involved. We see a cleaning gap, as well as a quality gap, whereas indoor living quality is depreciated. Time for a change. BioOrg approaches the cleaning process in a totally innovative and novel way, using the spray and wipe method to create a natural ecosystem in the building. First, you spray. Every surface is sprayed with a liquid containing 11 friendly bacteria whom occur in nature. The good bacteria take care of micropollution and dust particles, so 3/4 of the cleaning process happens naturally. Then you wipe, only where needed. With a microfiber cloth, you only need to manually remove the remaining visual dirt. BioOrg bacteria take care of everything else. BioOrg makes a real impact on real estate management in 4 areas. First of all, BioOrg makes a budget impact, saving you up to 30% by increasing cleaning speed and lowering cleaning frequencies up to 50%, with a proven better visual cleaning result. Secondly, BioOrg makes a health impact because of air purification and triggering immunity system responsiveness. Thirdly, BioOrg makes a social impact by respecting cleaners with zero-emission liquids and enhanced ergonomics. Last but not least, BioOrg stands for no waste circular cleaning and purification, making a serious environmental impact. Many leading companies are already benefiting from BioOrg on a daily basis. Request a free engineering with impact calculation now. BioOrg, your microbiome.